the pink Cadillac that she did all her songs on from Vegas, her Vegas residency, and the jet ski. Those are special pieces donated coming directly from her. We've had them in our storage facility for a while, and Mariah finally decided that she would let them go and to support Music Cares, which is a very good cause and something that's very important to her. So I'll tell you, it was items like Cher's coat from Saturday Night Live recently. She was there with Ariana Grande. She donated the coat that she wore. We have a lovely leather jacket donated by Boy George, signed by Boy George. But we have Charlie XCX guitar signed by her, donated by Gibson. Slash also signed a guitar with doodles on it. You have Robert Smith and Olivia Rodrigo from Glastonbury 25. They performed there, signed by both of them and the band. That's getting huge attention.